Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox failed to create directory error 3 problem. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. This solution has worked for everyone's problem on the Roblox form and it will also solve your problem as well. This solutions consist of three simple steps. The first step is to clear the Roblox cache data. To do this, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Now search for temp folder. Double click on it. Now inside of it, search for Roblox folder. Right click on it and select delete it, guys. Don't worry, your account or game won't it be affected. Now we have completed first step. For the second step, you just need to go back to local and in here you just need to search for Roblox and double click on it. Now you just need to create a folder, guys. If you don't have the downloads folder in here, you just want to create it, guys. For that, right click on it and select new and select folder and create the name like this: DOWN LOADS downloads folder like this. After doing this, now we completed the second step, guys. Now the third step is to close out of here. Now right click on the Roblox player and select open file location. Now right click on the Roblox player launcher and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimizations and check mark run this program as an administrator. After doing this, select apply and OK. Do the same thing for Roblox player beta, guys. Right click on it and select properties and select the compatibility tab and checkmark disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK. After doing this, close out of here. This way you can fix the error, guys. Now no longer error will appear, guys. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys, and you can also subscribe me and support me. Thank you.